third there is the third I'm saying Asisantro silent. Third is there diagram. Third diagram is there. In this, here is H, okay, D, F, C, okay. Now this is here, this is here, okay. So it is given that this angle equal to this angle, and this is the common. Clear? Okay. So how you can say that this is uh, both triangles DCH and DCA, both triangles are congruent to each other. How you can say? So now in triangle BCH and triangle DCF. So what is there in both the triangles? Okay. उस साइड जाओ, आवाज नहीं. So angle DHC, angle DHC, angle DHC congruent to what? Angle DFC. DFC. It is given. Okay. So it is given. Okay. And now this is also, this is the common side. DC is common side. Okay. Now this is common side. So this angle equal to this angle. This is the DC's common side. And one more thing you can say. What? DSC is equal to DFC and HCD. This HCD is equal to, this is also given. Okay. This also given. Angle HCD is equal to FCD. Angle FCD. Clear? It is also given. Clear? So what will be there? You can say that then after these two angles and one side, two angles and one side, so it means both triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore triangle DHC congruent to triangle DCF. Okay. DCH congruent to DCF. Okay. Under DCH corresponding to DCF. Okay. How? By AAS test. AAS test. Clear? AAS test. Okay. Now so this is the how it is under this test, under this correspondence. This both are being what? These are congruent to each other. Now come to the say. Now what is the remaining? Okay. Remaining sides and angles. So what are the remaining sides and angles? Segment HC. This is the remaining side is congruent to segment FC. Clear? This equal to this, and same as segment DH. DH is congruent to segment DF, and DH congruent to DF, segment DF. Clear? So these are what? Corresponding sides of congruent angles. Okay, these are the remaining sides. Okay, and remaining congruent sides. Okay, now come to remaining congruent remaining congruent angles. What are that? Remaining congruent angle is what? Angle HDC. This angle is only remaining. So angle HDC congruent to angle CDF. Angle FDC. Clear? So FDC. So this is the your completion of this question. Okay, this was which question? This was third part. Okay, third part of question. This was the third part of question first. Okay, so this get completed also, this question. Now come to second question. What is the second question? Second question, this is also very important question. Okay. Sorry. So what second question? In the following figure, segment AD is congruent to segment EC. Segment AD is congruent to segment EC. So here is segment AD congruent to segment EC. Okay, so this is A, D, E, C, B, this. Okay, now so this is here. Now come to what is the solution. Okay, now come to what is the solution. Solution will be in the following figure, segment AD is congruent to segment EC. Okay, in the following figure, segment AD is congruent to segment EC. Which additional information is needed to show that triangle ABD and triangle EBC will be congruent by AAS test. Okay, so here this angle, this side is equal to this side, it is clearly given. Now so only by one side, on one side it could not be possible that both being what congruent. So what will be there? The additional information आपको और भी चाहिए ना. ओके, few sides और angles should be needed. तो क्या हो जाएगा अगर एनी हाउ वन साइड है सब, तो दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. हाउ? बिकॉज बोथ एंगल्स आर व्हाट vertically opposite angle. So come to the angle ADB, okay, and angle ABD. So the additional information that is needed to show triangle ADB congruent to triangle EBC by AAS test would be what? Angle ADB, okay, is equal to angle ECB. Angle ADB congruent to angle ECB, okay, angle ECB, and angle ABD congruent to triangle angle ABD congruent to angle EBC. Clear? Angle ABD congruent to angle EBC. So and angle ADB congruent to angle ECB. Okay. Clear? So if and this angle equal to this angle, so if two angles and one side are there congruent, then both the triangle will be congruent to each other. Okay. So so that information should be, these two information should be needed. Okay. तो अगर ये दोनों हो जाती है तो क्या हो जाएगा? these two angles, okay, this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle, and this side is given already. Okay, so by AAS, okay, so by AAS test, okay, it will be completed. Okay, so this is your exercise completed, this is your full practice set completed, and this chapter also being completed. Okay, now you come to next. Okay, what is that? Compound interest, the next chapter your. Okay.